Hello, and welcome to the introductory video for the VR training module by Team 9 of the Senior Project Final Presentations for Spring 2020. So, the FIU Robotics Training Academy, partnered with the FIU Architecture Department, has been working on a project for training applicants in using the robot arm in the RDF lab. They want to build up on this project, so me, Danny Perez, and Marcel Castro got together and created a specific module for that main project that showcases the capabilities of VR training in an industrial workplace. So our problem is that studies show that the rate of serious injury is much higher for employees during their first months on the job compared to those who have experience working there. In addition to risky training procedures, some training processes require complicated equipment that can be very expensive and can be very detrimental to the employee if they were to damage this expensive equipment, which leads to issues in the amount of people that can be trained. So our goal with this module was to create an immersive application that provides users with a safe environment where they can continue training and make all the mistakes that they need to in order to learn and become proficient at the job that they're applying for or wanting a certificate for. This is our scene. So for our training module, we decided to focus on the process of oxyacetylene welding. Oxyacetylene welding is not only dangerous to the user if performed incorrectly due to gas leaks, but also requires expensive equipment costing upwards of $1,000 to get a tank rig like the one you see here. So in our module, we use high definition textures and all original assets to fully immerse the user in an experience that is as close to real life as we can get without the actual thing. In this module, the user can move around, interact with items as they would normally in real life, and have a lesson board that they can look at and follow that gets checked off and updated as the user completes the different tasks. The next couple videos will showcase how to use the project and how to install the project so that future senior project students can continue working on it. Thank you for taking the time to watch these videos.